Hey guys, Ron Bond, Bondo Built Construction here. Today I'm going to try to show you guys how I cut concrete floors. I just use a demo saw. I'm eventually going to buy a soft cut saw, but I just haven't got one yet. So I'll show you how I've been doing it for years. It's pretty easy. We can get really nice straight cuts with a demo saw and a nice straight 2x6. That's how I do it. And we just poured this floor here yesterday. And we finished it up about 6 o'clock. I like to get right on it the next day while it's still soft and cut it. And I'll show you how we do that. Thanks for tuning in. Okay guys, here we are at the project. It's the floor we poured yesterday. You can see the pitch in it. It's got a 4-inch pitch from front to back. So actually it goes flat for a little bit here, right about to that seam. It's pretty flat. And then it tapers 4 inches. So the customer wet it down, which is good and bad, because I usually snap some chalk lines in here right in the morning after, like I said, we poured it last night. Right now I would snap some chalk lines where I want to cut, but I can't snap any lines because it's all wet, but that's all right. They're doing good by keeping the floor wet. It's going to make it stronger. So I'll just mark out with my my tape and have some lines for my 2x6 to hit, and I'll try to video how we're doing this. I've been doing it like this for years, guys, and this has tubing in it too. So this floor, if you watch my video from yesterday, you'll see all the tubing in this. So this floor is about 4 inches thick and 4.5, and the tubing's at the bottom of that. So I'm only going to cut it about 3/4 of an inch. I'm not going to try to risk it and go deep with it. And I'm pretty good with that target saw. We're just using a steel TF420 target saw with a diamond wheel on it. And same saw you would cut anything with blocks or whatever. Pavers, you can use that saw for a lot of stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do here, guys. Hey guys, Bondo here, just showing you how to cut this floor that we just poured yesterday. Like I said, little concrete floor. And this is how I've been cutting these floors, guys, for like 30 years. Like I said, I'd like to get a soft cut saw. I don't know, I haven't pulled the trigger on one yet. And my demo saw is just easier to carry. And I can get nice straight cuts here with it. I like to snap a chalk line, like I said, but this floor being wet, it's just not going to work today. So, and I did this by myself, so I just put some lines in here, measured up, divided this building into 4 pieces. Just marked everything out, and I had like a 16-foot 2x6 that I was using. Nice, you want a nice straight piece of lumber, and you can cut it with your target saw and do a nice job. So I'm just gonna lay it out to my marks, and we'll be cutting it here in a second, guys. Do me a favor, guys, if you like this video, hit the like button for me. That'll help me out if you're getting some value out of it. And check out my channel. We do a lot of concrete work, guys. Pour a lot of these Nudura basements. We built this basement here for a customer. It was a real big basement. I got a bunch of videos on doing it. We poured this garage, you know, a mono pour with the footers and everything integral, so that was pretty cool. So I'll put some links to those videos. Check them out, and if you like that kind of stuff, subscribe to my channel. Channel's doing pretty good. Got like almost 600 subscribers, so that's good. We're trying to reach out and help everybody out with this concrete work, guys. So, and you guys that have already subscribed, thanks a lot for the support. Thanks for the questions and the comments. I'm getting some real good comments on the channel, guys. So I really appreciate that. Back to the video, guys. So we're just move this 2x6 along here, and I kind of walk on it, guys, with my feet as I'm cutting. Keeps it from moving. You can kind of see my right foot just standing on it, and my left foot kind of sliding along. That just keeps the 2x6 right in place so it doesn't move. You don't really want to use like a 2x4. It's too small. It'll slide around on you. But I find a 2x6 or 2x8, nice straight one, works good. And just keep good pressure on the side of the blade there, guys, as you cut along. And make sure you don't drift out away with your blade. Just keep like a pressure against the side, and you can just cut right along and keep it nice and straight. And don't set the targets on the floor, guys, while it's running. You'll mess up the floor, and you can ask me how I know that. It's because I've done it. So don't do that. Don't set the. If you notice, I always set the targets outside like that, and then I'll walk in and move my board. That's a safe way to do it, there, guys. So I hope you got something out of this video, guys. This is pretty much it. Just a short video on how I've been cutting floors for like 30 years. Hope you got something out of it. Like I said, now we're just washing it off. Wash all that residue off. And we like to keep the concrete soaked. I always tell the homeowner to soak the concrete and keep it wet. It'll be a lot stronger. So leave some comments for me, guys, and keep watching the videos, and subscribe again, like I said, if you haven't. And thanks again for my subscribers, and catch you on the next one. Okay, guys, there it is. Try to show you that cut. It's pretty straight. You can do a pretty nice job with a target saw, guys. And this one. I don't know how good this is coming out because of the sun beating in here, but there it is. Like I said, we didn't cut very deep, guys, because there's tubing in this floor. This floor is only about 4.5 inches thick, so we did not pull the tubing up like we always do, and I use fiber mesh concrete, regular fiber mesh, the bigger fibers, and we leave the wire and the tubing on the bottom, guys. Don't try to pull it up on a 4-inch floor. If it was a 6-inch floor, you might pull it just a little bit, but like I said, we do not pull up wire and tubing into these 4-inch floors. You're just taking a huge chance of the tubing being right near the top and getting damaged. But that's how I do it, guys. Like I said, I'd like to get a soft cut saw, but I haven't. So they're quite expensive. So I've been doing it like this for years with my target saw. It works real good. Like I said, I'll probably get a soft cut eventually, especially when we're ways away from home, so we don't have to come back the next day, because you do have to come back the next day to do this. We just poured this. I finished this at 6 o'clock last night, guys. We didn't cut this little breezeway because it's small. I'm not worried about that. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll definitely catch you on the next video. Take care.